One positive thought can change your whole day. Welcome again in e-learning classes, dear students. This is your assistant teacher, Mrs. Priyanka Khandelwal. Hope you all are fit and fine and excited to learn new lesson 8. Next part, that is agriculture and industries in India. So let's start, students. What does the food we eat and things we use come from? And it comes from two types. That is agriculture and industries. Those food or things we use that comes from agriculture and industries. From agriculture, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the practice of farming. It includes the process of growing crops, fruits and vegetables, and the rearing of cattle and other domestic animals. Agriculture is the main occupation for more than half the population of India. Different types of crops grown in different parts of India, depending on climate, availability of water resources and type of soil found in those regions. Now, types of crops. And there are two types of crops mostly grown in India, that is food crops and cash crops. What is food crops? Food crops. Food crops that are grown primarily for food are called food crops. Food crops जो जिसका प्राथमिक दर्जा होता है खाने के लिए. And they are either grown for use by farmer or to be sold in the market for cash. For example, rice, wheat, maize and millet are some examples of food crops. Rice and wheat are the staple crops of India. I explain to you some food crops of India, that is wheat. And major states of wheat is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. Next staple food, that is rice, and major states of rice: West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. And the production of maize, major states, that is Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Now students, what is meant by cash crops? Cash crops are grown primarily for sale in the market. कैश क्रॉप्स वह जिसका प्राथमिक दर्जा होता है मार्केट के लिए सेल करना, व्यवसाय के रूप में सेल करना. Some of these crops are also used as raw materials in many industries. For example, tea, coffee, jute, cotton and rubber are the examples of cash crops. Different parts of India grow a variety of oil seeds such as mustard, linseed, castor and so on. Spices grown in India are famous all over the world. मसाले, हमारा भारत देश मसालों के लिए जाना जाता है. And that spices name is pepper, cardamom, cloves, chilies and turmeric. Some important spices grown in our country. Let me explain to you some cash crops of India. That is cotton. कॉटन, मेजर स्टेट ऑफ कॉटन इज गुजरात. ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन कॉटन का कहाँ होता है? वो है गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, पंजाब, मध्य प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तमिलनाडु. नाउ अदर कैश क्रॉप दैट इज शुगर केन. शुगर केन से कई सारी चीजें बनती है. एंड मेजर स्टेट इज उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, तमिलनाडु. नेक्स्ट इज टी, चाय के बागान. इट्स ऑल्सो कमर्शियल और कैश क्रॉप. Major states of tea: Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. Students, the branch of agriculture that deals with cultivating crops such as fruits, vegetables and ornamental plants is called horticulture. What is horticulture? Horticulture क्या है? वह एग्रीकल्चर की ब्रांच जो क्या कल्टीवेट करती है, कौन कौन से क्रॉप्स कल्टीवेट करती है? दैट क्रॉप्स सच एज फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल एंड ऑर्नामेंटल plants. It's called horticulture. These crops are mainly grown for sale in the market. Now see cropping season. Next part is cropping season. Agriculture related cropping season, and cropping seasons are there 3 types: Rabi crops, Kharif crop and Zaid. What is Rabi crops? Already you see in your book table also from page number 72. That is period of the year, main crops grown and stands. Rabi crops. Rabi crops sowing time is from October to December and the harvest taken place from April to June. Kharif crops are grown at the onset of monsoon and the harvested from September to October. That is सितंबर और अक्टूबर में जो आपको क्रॉप्स मिलते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं खरीफ क्रॉप्स. देन व्हाट इज जायद? जायद इज क्रॉपिंग सीजन इज अ शॉर्ट पीरियड दैट फॉल्स बिटवीन रबी एंड खरीफ. जायद किसे कहते हैं? रबी और खरीफ क्रॉप के बीच में का जो सीजन होता है उस सीजन में जो छोटी सी कुछ समय की फसल उगाई जाती है दैट इज जायद क्रॉप. एंड दिस सीजन फॉल्स ड्यूरिंग द समर मंथ. Rabi crops have different season, and for example of Rabi crops which crops grow during October to December? That is, yes, correct, wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard. These are Rabi crops, and you know already Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh mostly grow Rabi crops. Next is Kharif crop. खरीफ क्रॉप रिलेटेड पैडी, मेज, ज्वार, बाजरा, तूर, मिस, अरहर दाल, मूंग, उड़द, कॉटन, जूट, ग्राउंडनट एंड सोयाबीन. These are the खरीफ crops mostly grown September to October and in which states mostly popular? That is Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Next, Zaid. Which crops grown? That is Zaid. Watermelon, muskmelon. I already told Zaid mostly grown this season falls during summer season. Summer season में क्या क्या आते हैं? That is watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. And it's mostly grown Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and so on. Students, did you know about India's Green Revolution? The Green Revolution refers to a large increase in crop production through the uses of modern technology in India. And the Green Revolution was launched in India in mid-1960s to ensure food security as there was shortage of food in the country. It also created awareness among farmers in India. M.S. Swaminathan, who played a leading role in it. It is known as father of India's Green Revolution. M.S. Swaminathan ने लीडिंग रोल लिया था. उन्होंने ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन के लिए क्या क्या किए थे? दे यूज गुड क्वालिटी एंड हाई यील्डिंग वेराइटीज ऑफ सीड्स, use of technology that is tractor, mechanized flow, putting more areas of land under irrigation and the use of fertilizers and pesticides. Now dear students, I explained about industries in India. अब हम आपको इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में बताएंगे. The process of raw materials and production of goods in factories is known as industry. What is industry? जहाँ रॉ प्रोडक्शन होता है, कच्चा माल बनाया जाता है और कच्चा माल का सप्लाई होके उसकी कुछ चीजें बनाई जाती है, उसे हम कहते हैं इंडस्ट्री. नाउ देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. कई सारी इंडस्ट्री है. कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री एंड लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्री. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ क्राइटेरिया इट डिवाइड्स कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज. Cottage industry are very small in size. Those are mostly set up by the people in their own homes or in small workshops. और cottage है अपने घर में छोटा सा काम चालू करने के, छोटा सा कारखाना या छोटी सी दुकान टाइप के जहाँ काम होता है, that is called cottage industry. example of cottage industry material, that is candles, basket, pickles, jams, biscuit, pottery, craft items. These are all things made in cottage industry. Small scale industry, छोटा सा जो कारखाना होता है. द नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स एम्प्लॉय इन स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज इज मोर देन दैट इन कॉटेज. कॉटेज की कंपेयर में स्मॉल स्केल में ज्यादा वर्कर होते हैं. एंड देर आल्सो यूज सम स्मॉल मशीन्स एंड ऑफन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ मिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड प्लास्टिक गुड्स, फर्नीचर, यूटेंसिल्स, बाइसिकल पार्ट्स. For example, bicycle parts, soaps, shampoos, handlooms, cloths are some products of small scale industry. Next is the large scale industries. In the large scale industry, as the use name suggests, are big industry. के नाम से ये पता चलता है कि ये बहुत बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है, बहुत बड़े कारखाने हैं इसमें. Where thousands of people work. यूज मशीन आर यूज, बड़ी बड़ी मशीनें यहाँ यूज होती है इन दिस इंडस्ट्री फॉर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लार्ज क्वांटिटीज. लार्ज है, बड़ी बड़ी मशीनें हैं तो उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम होगा. दे आर लार्जली बेस्ड इन डेवलप एरियाज एज दे रिक्वायर ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड गुड ट्रांसपोर्ट. गुड ट्रांसपोर्ट का, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का, हर चीज़ की यहाँ पे बेस्ट क्वालिटी अवेलेबल है. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट इज आयरन एंड स्टील, टेक्सटाइल्स, ऑटोमोबाइल, शिप बिल्डिंग, ऑयल रिफाइनरीज and chemical industries are large scale industries. Industries not only convert raw materials into finished product for us, but they also give jobs to people and help our country earn more money by selling products of other countries. Thus, industries are very important for development of our country. Location of some of the main industries of India, that is also iron and steel. Where iron and steel industry present in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, Bokaro. Cotton textiles in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Surat, in Gujarat, Kolkata, West Bengal, Kanpur, and automobiles, that is Pune, Mumbai, Nashik, in Maharashtra, Gurgaon, in Haryana, Chennai, in Tamil Nadu. There is a different states present different types of large industry. Shipbuilding industry, electronic goods related. Hope dear students, you very well understood about what does the food we eat and things we use comes from. Now meet you in next video. Till you revise whole lesson points and try to solve exercise. Bye bye. And also remember, eat healthy, be safe, save water. Thank you. Bye.